Hi, this is Aaron from Superior Singing Method, and this is Improve Your Vocal Tone Today. Okay, improve your vocal tone today. The most common killer of vocal tone is nasality, and ironically, I'm a little congested today, so I'm talking very nasally today, so this is the perfect fit for this video. So the nasal tone is like, it's just this kind of nasal tone. If you're singing with this tone, unless you're trying to do it as some type of, I don't know, some type of character or something, it doesn't usually sound that good. So that nasality doesn't sound good. It doesn't have a very nice, crisp, full, resonant tone, right? And so I want to help you today to improve your tone, and particularly in this area. I think a lot of people, this is a common thing for a lot of people. So hopefully this helps. So when your palate is too low, your soft palate, the nasality comes from the soft palate. So the soft palate is this. If you, with your tongue, follow the roof of your mouth, and where it's hard, right up top, yeah, that's your hard palate. If you follow it back more, or it gets soft back there, that's your soft palate. So when it's nasal when your soft palate's really low, but you don't want it too high because that's like, hi, I'm Kermit the Frog. That's too high. So you want some kind of balance in between. And what happens, the nasality comes from when we're using our nose as our primary resonator. And we want to actually put a little bit of nose into it. That's actually what the Italian singers say. Put a little nose into it. But you don't want to sing through your nose because it doesn't sound very good. But pop singers do put a little nose into it, like Adam Levine is one, but a lot of pop singers, so it'll be like, I'm on a payphone trying, that kind of, trying to go home. That's that pharyngeal, little bit of nasal thing going on there. So it's okay to put some nose in it, but if it's too much, it just doesn't sound good. So here's how we can understand how the soft palate works and put a little nose into it, but not too much, to help really improve our vocal tone. So what I want you to do is I want you to plug your nose, and when you plug your nose, you sound kind of nasally, right? So what I want you to do is I want you to plug your nose and do what you can not to sound nasally. So watch this. So I'm just doing normal. Now I sound a little less nasally, right? A little less nasally. And so it's still a little bit nasally, but what happens to get that sound a little less like this and a little more like this, what I had to do that is raise up my soft palate. So this is a good exercise to teach you how to raise up that soft palate a little bit, so when you're singing, you understand how to do that. Another really great way, an exercise you can do, it's a 3-tone descend on the word hanger. Hanger. So notice when you go hanger, actually that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do it on 3 or 5, but let's do it on 5 just because I just said that. Hanger. And notice where the soft palate is. Hanger. As you go through that hanger, your soft palate raises just slightly. So 3, what would 3 be? Hanger. Try like that and notice what happens with your soft palate. So you have more control over your soft palate than you may realize, but now realize. Hopefully that helps. Click the link below for my favorite vocal exercise, some other fun kind of free stuff there, and subscribe to the channel. I'm doing videos regularly now, and leave me a comment to say anything you want to say. And believe in your bigness. There's more in you than you realize.